Hello, how are you? Hope you're good. Thank you for tuning into my channel once again to watch my video. Today's video, we're going to do yet another protective style that has so many benefits for our natural hair. It's one of my favorite hairstyles that I love to do. Of course, before I can even say, you know we're doing two strand twists. And if you have been following me for a while, you know that two strand twists are one of my favorite hairstyles by far. And I also love doing small two-strand twists at least once a year. This whole year I hadn't done it and I was like, oh my god, 2024 is gonna be over and I haven't done small twists. However, saving the best for last, right? You've seen the other two-strand twists that I've done, but this time around I'm not doing it with my hair alone. I am actually adding some hair extensions, and these hair extensions are from QVR Hair. This time around I want my two-strand twist to last a bit longer, and I also just want to protect my hair a little bit more, and of course I want a little bit of length, right? Yes, I like the length of my hair, but I just want it, it's the holiday period, so I just wanted a little bit of, you know, This is the hair QVR sent me, and it's the human hair. I have used this hair from QVR before, however today we're using a natural black. The hair is Afro Kinky bulk. It's 22 inches and it's 100% human hair. This hair is so soft. All right, let's reduce the chit chat and get into the hair because I'm excited to do this hair. Of course, I'm starting on freshly washed hair. I have moisturized my hair and put it in big twists just so the moisture stays in. At the moment my hair is damp. It's not dry, it's not wet, but it's damp. I have also detangled so it makes the process easy. And yeah, my hair is ready to be twisted. Okay, we're gonna start from the back per usual. I've actually never done this size of twist before with added extensions, so you're experiencing a first with me, and I hope it goes really well. I had the intention of actually just twisting straight from the base of my hair. However, I did try one off camera and it was slipping a little bit and it wasn't making the base tight. So I made a decision to actually braid from the base a little bit and then start twisting. This is my personal preference from trying this hair off the bat, but if you feel like you can actually do it, like twisting it from the base all through the hair, then go for it. But I'll let you know now, using this hair, this is your best bet. Braid first and then twist later. So far so good. It's actually looking really nice and I like it a lot. And as you can see, the hair is touching the base of my neck and it doesn't itch at all, which is one of the things I love about this QVR human hair. And can you see how the texture just matches my own hair texture to a T? Like, what? This is my hair. I honestly did not plan for this to be this long. When I had the idea of doing this hair and adding more hair, it was just to add a little bit of the hair to add fullness to my own hair. So please tell me why I decided to do it this long and this small. How long is this gonna take me? But it looks so nice. And I'm not even, like, I'm not finishing the ends because I'm gonna cut that, and once you spray water, the hair curls, so I have curly ends. So it's, I mean, it's not bad, it's not that bad. It's not that bad, right? Right, let's keep going. I wanna share something about the length. The length, this is the length of the hair and it's 22 inches, right? This is as much that I've been taking out per twist. However, if I bent it in the middle, this is like the length I will have. I mean, it shrinks so it'll stretch. But because I wanted it longer, let me show you what I was doing. It's a trick. So the hair I'm using for each twist, I divide that into 2 equal parts. And then I go to the very end of both. So this is like the length of the hair. I go to the very end of both, probably about like 2 inches of both hair, and I cross it like that. That gives me more length for my twists. I mean, a normal person would have just used the normal 22 inches, but for some reason I just felt, you know what? This could be more versatile for me, and because the hair is quite light, I was like, let's do longer. I mean, it's gonna take me longer to do the hair, but it's like, you know what, no need to regret the past. All right, now I divide my own hair into 2. I'm starting with the braiding method. I take one part of the hair, and then at the second part, and then I start to braid. I braid for a little bit, maybe like 4 times, Is that what I'm doing? I think. And then I now divide the hair into two. So what I do now is to start to twist those parts. Yep, twist, 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 and that's it. And twist, 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 twist. Why did I do this tiny size? Oh my god, it's gonna take me forever. When I get to the base, I'm basically twisting as loosely as I can because, like I said before, I'm gonna curl the ends. Now I am like, who sent me to do this tiny twist and long twist? Two decisions that I made. The first decision I made was to make these twists smaller in the first place. Why? I don't know. The second decision I made was to make these twists longer, and it should be. Why? I don't know. And now I am here with the consequences. I have to go with the consequences of my actions. Okay, I'm getting hungry. Sorry. Oh Lord, Mamana. Anyways, I went to get a snack and Mamana distracted me. So what was I doing? Chin chin. Chin chin is a Nigerian snack and my family and I made it together over Thanksgiving. I'm using a spoon because obviously I'm doing my hair. I don't want to touch it. I might take a break soon though to have dinner, I think. But for now, chin chin. You want some? Here's another trick that I do to make the installation process of my braids or twists faster. I basically part my hair in bulk. Hear me out. So basically I do a few parts, about 4 to 5, and then I start to braid or twist. That way, once I'm braiding or twisting, I don't have to stop to do each part. And then if you notice, I'm doing curved lines instead of straight lines. This is also a bit faster to do rather than figuring out how to do box lines. However, if you prefer box lines, do you. But I love curved lines. Almost done. Still a little chunk. It's 10 p.m. I'm tired. I'm drinking some, what is this? Turmeric and ginger tea because I need it. It's definitely gonna make my tongue and my teeth yellow, but I'll brush my teeth after. It's worth it. The tea bag is yellow. This is my little break and me taking time, and I think I'm gonna give myself till midnight. If I don't finish by midnight, I probably need to go to bed and then finish tomorrow. But I don't want to finish this tomorrow. But we'll see. We'll see. Okay, I need to stop fapping around and get into it. For my girlies who don't know how to twist or who are learning how to twist, let me slow it down real quick for you so you can see how my fingers are moving and how I'm twisting basically. And I know seeing people's fingers move so fast can get intimidating, but it's really straightforward. All you have to do is practice. Remember to practice. Practice makes progress. Back in the day, I wasn't a pro like this. I had to learn. And you can too. I have faith in you. Time check, it's 11:25 p.m. Now I'm at the point where I can't. Should I go to bed and just do the rest later? Nope, because it's just a small patch. Just a small patch. We can do this. We can do this. Let's do this. Do I want a straight center path or do I want to curve it? I want to curve it. Okay. Remember what I said about parting my hair in bulk? Now I'm getting to the end of this protective style and I'm basically pre-parting my hair to know exactly how many I have. And because we're almost at the finish line, it just gives me an opportunity to know where my parting is and basically where every braid goes. This is useful. Make sure you do this towards the end. And here's a tip. Sometimes you might think you have 4 and then you actually go, you part 1, you braid, you part, you braid, and then you're thinking you have 2 left, right? But you have 3 and then you don't know what to do. This helps. Try it and thank me later. Pre-parting and sectioning your hair is a game changer, especially at the top of your head, because you don't want to make mistakes, and that is exactly what people would see. You can't hide it. So listen to me, I know what I'm saying. If I was doing box lines, I would do the exact same thing because I'm always looking for ways to make my protective style get easier and go quicker. I am so tired. Look at the time. Oh my goodness. All right, I'm done. Good night. Well, hello there. This is the morning after. Oh my goodness, what's the time? It's about 10 a.m. in the morning. I had a lie-in, I slept in, I had breakfast, and I was like, okay, let's finish this video. So what I would say is, why am I clapping? What I would say is the hair is very light. Even when I put it up, you have to try it to see for yourself. Now what we need to do is the ends are looking like this. Look at the ends. So what we need is water. So I'm gonna do it in sections so that it's easier to manage. I'll do it in 4. Let's do this. Run my fingers through it. I would say there is a little bit of shedding in the hair, but this is initially when, oh. This is what we have with just water. Look at how the curls have been activated with just water. But I'm gonna go a step further and add mousse. Yep, that's exactly what it needed. Woo. I'm still gonna cut the ends, but yeah. Okay, so look at the hair with water and mousse. And look at the difference. Look at the difference. Ooh, can you also see my guns? I just wanted to share benefits of 2-strand twist. It's a protective style, of course, because your hair is hidden. Just make sure it's not too tight. It's a convenient hairstyle, which means you can just wake up in the morning and go. It's versatile. You can style it any which way you want. It's lightweight and very soft. You literally feel like there's nothing on your head. It's human hair, so it retains moisture and it wouldn't leave your own hair dry. It's also low manipulation because this hairstyle can be kept for at least 2 to 4 weeks, which means you retain length. It's all a win-win. Can you see the movement of the hair? And the curls? Okay, now that I've activated the curls, let's see the finished look. I am so glad I did this size and this length because it's just beautiful. It's like my hair. It's literally my hair. It is my hair. It's on my head. What? I don't think I can ever go back to non-human hair for twists because what? And I'll also do a video showing how I'll take down the hair. I'm going to take you guys through the whole process just in case you're thinking about getting the hair so that you see it while it's new now, while it's in the mid stage, when it's old, while I take it down, how I care for it. It's going to be a whole series, I promise. Hold me to it. Low tension, versatility, the length I was looking for is everything. And the maintenance is exactly how I maintain my own hair. As usual, thank you for staying to the very end of this video. Thank you for liking my video. Please press that like to actually like it. Please share my video as well. I would love that so much. It'll help my page a great deal. And press that bell to get a notification for every time I post videos like this because you don't want to miss it. And enjoy the rest of your day. Also, if you have more questions, let me know in the comment section below and I would definitely respond. Thank you.